I was having thyroid problems, and when I changed doctors, he decided because I was a smoker that I needed to have a chest x-ray. And it came back with a shadow behind my heart. And we did a CAT scan, and they were almost sure then it was cancer. And they transferred me to MUSC to Dr. DeRosimo. And Dr. DeRosimo did a biopsy, and I have small cell lung cancer. I suspected it because I had read my CAT scan. I had done research online. And shocked, no, I had to deal with it. The hardest part was telling my child. She's 37 years old, but they're still your child. So after I dealt with her, it's been okay. I have my moments, but overall, I've been okay. It was only in the lymph node that Dr. DeRosimo had taken out at the biopsy. And the cancer cells were there, and with the type cancer I had to go through protocol with the chemo and the radiation. But that, because it had not metastasized, that I am very curable. I've had 4 chemo treatments, 3 days each, 3 weeks apart. And I had 15 days of radiation twice a day. And that was finished back in April, and the chemo finished yesterday. And now, next month, I have 10 radiation treatments once a day for the brain radiation, and then I'll be finished. I've had no side effects per se. I've lost my hair and weakness, but I can get a nap and do everything I need to do here in the house. And I'm working half days most days. I don't remember which doctor it was, but there was a clinical trial for the radiation part of what I had to have done. And there was 3 legs of how they would do the radiation. They had no choice, nor I had no choice of which leg I would get into. But I wound up in the leg which was standard treatment. But because mine was detected so early and my prognosis was so good, I wanted to do whatever I could to help later with somebody. My dad had cancer in '83, and he was in a clinical trial, same type cancer I feel like, and he did it because one of his children may need it one day. Well, I'm probably that child. And what did they learn? I don't know. But they may have learned something that's helping me today. I may help one of my family members, friends, or anybody another day. I had at no point even considered not going to MUSC. I had enough dealings with them, not so much in cancer, but in other things with my family, till I was well satisfied. And then to know that they were designated as one of the top places in the country, why travel when I could come home after each one of my treatments? I am here for something, I don't know what. Right now, I feel like it's something to do with cancer. I don't know that, but I have truly been blessed to live through 2 major things, because I personally feel like I'm cured right now of this cancer. We're just doing protocol to get rid of the cancer cells. And I know it'll be 5 years before a doctor will tell me that, but God's already told me I'm cured.
For more information or to make an appointment, call MUSC Health at 843-792-1414.